Welcome to the life insurance coverage portion of PEBA's insurance orientation and education presentation. You need to decide whether you want additional life insurance coverage. We say additional because when you enroll in health insurance, you are automatically enrolled in basic life insurance at no cost to you. Details about life insurance are in the insurance summary. Basic life insurance offers $3,000 in term life insurance coverage with a matching amount of accidental death and dismemberment, or AD&D, insurance. As mentioned earlier, you are automatically enrolled in basic life insurance at no cost if you enroll in health insurance. When you enroll, be sure to designate a beneficiary or beneficiaries in My Benefits. You can update this information in My Benefits at any time during the year. Beyond the basic coverage, you can choose optional life insurance for yourself in increments of $10,000 up to a maximum of $500,000. Medical evidence might be required. At your initial eligibility, you are guaranteed 3 times your annual earnings or $500,000, whichever is less, within the first 31 days. This means you don't have to provide medical evidence. Medical evidence is required for additional coverage, and if you decide to add coverage after your initial eligibility, you can apply for additional coverage by completing an active notice of election form and returning it to your employer. MetLife will email you a link to complete an online statement of health. With optional life, you also get a matching amount of AD&D insurance. It's important to note that your coverage will automatically reduce once you reach certain ages, beginning at age 70. Dependent life spouse insurance is available in increments of $10,000 up to a maximum of $100,000 or 50% of your optional life coverage amount, whichever is less. Medical evidence might be required. You can get spouse coverage even if you aren't enrolled in optional life. In this case, it's available in the amounts of $10,000 or $20,000 within the first 31 days without medical evidence. Medical evidence is required for additional coverage, and if you decide to add coverage after your initial eligibility, just like with optional life, you can apply for additional coverage by completing an active notice of election form and returning it to your employer. MetLife will email you a link for your spouse to complete an online statement of health. Dependent life spouse also has a matching amount of AD&D insurance. Dependent life spouse is not available for spouses eligible for PEBA-sponsored benefits through their employer. Dependent life child insurance of $15,000 per child is available. You can add eligible children at any time throughout the year without medical evidence. Children are eligible from live birth to ages 19 or 25 if the child is a full-time student, unmarried, and primarily dependent on you for financial support. If both parents are eligible to provide coverage through PEBA, each child can be covered by only one parent under this plan. If a child is eligible for PEBA-administered insurance benefits as an active employee, the child is not eligible for dependent life child coverage. For optional life and dependent life spouse coverage, the premium is based on your or your spouse's age as of the previous December 31st and the coverage amount. You will pay the rate seen here for each $10,000 in coverage. The premium for dependent life child coverage is $1.26 per month and covers all children for whom you have a policy.